And here comes one of my favorites.
The following contest is a tag team Extreme Rules match. Introducing first, from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 253 pounds, the Tornado!
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
A man who always gets a strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings.
Here we go, guys.
And from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 222 pounds, the Superstar!
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then.
Yeah, now we're talking.
And from Silsbee, Texas, weighing in at 375 pounds, the movable object, the irresistible force, Mark Henry!
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one. Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder, and he's going to use that anger against his opposition.
We are about to see something good.
And from Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 268 pounds, D'Lo Brown!
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
This is a match he's craved for quite some time. He's ready and raring to go.
Time for an Extreme Rules match where WWE throws the rule book out the window.
Kendo sticks, tables, chairs. If you can hold it in your hand, you can use it as a weapon. It is anything goes.
Shoulder tackle.
Placed into the corner.
Torturous knee.
Gut kick.
Nothing fancy there.
Oh, right to the gut. Now that'll do some serious damage.
Scoop slam sets things up.
What a slam. Elbow drop.
I think the key to coming out on top in an Extreme Rules match has to be fighting without limits. This is no time for fair play or holding back. You have to use the circumstances at play to your advantage and without mercy.
I think you're right, Corey. This is a time when playing nice really doesn't benefit y'all.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Wow, look at this aggression in the corner.
Yeah, on the throat in the corner.
That's going to be a moment you want to forget it very soon.
That's a free fall.
Shoulders down, this could be it. And he makes the save for his team.
Big forearm. Firm control.
Oh my God, what a kick. Now he's been put on the defensive.
And a series of vicious stomps.
You can feel the resentment building with each stomp there. And what's he looking for here?
Come on. Seriously? Does it really have to come to this?
I don't know what they're looking for here.
Okay, this could be too much. A sledgehammer? Really?
He's got him down. Is this it? Gets the shoulder up and one.
These men knew this match was going to be hard fought.
Takedown. And now punches, rights. Oh, a flurry of strikes.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage.
From behind. Back suplex. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Power bomb into the barricade. This match grinded him down a little.
Carefully. Wrenching the arm. Kick to the chest. Oh, continued punishment.
And that damage to the shoulder could be an ongoing factor now. It might limit range of motion in the entire arm.
Driven face first into the apron.
There's no good way to land on the ring apron like that. The location has the least give out of the entire ring. Climbs back inside.
His competitor grabbing hold of their opponent's arm. Delivery on clothesline, but look at this. Holding on for more. A second clothesline. And you can only imagine that the trio...
No way! That could be it.
Maybe not. The breakup.
Ooh, got caught with a punch to the face.
Back fist. Nasty. He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring. He has truly gone to a different zone, you guys. Oh, God. He's on his heels a bit now.
Showing a...
This could do it. He can end it here. He's got him. He breaks the ref's count before two.
refusing to give up even an inch of ground as this match continues.
He steps foot in the ring again.
Clothesline.
Oh, look at this. Submission.
In trouble here.
Oh, what a great counter. That'll break it up.
Ouch.
Oh, down by the DDT. From the top. Whoa. He could pin his opponent right here. It's over. Kick out before the count.
There is no quit in this man tonight. Oh, man, he hoists it up. Down. Here for the pin and the win. Yes.
He got the shoulder up in time.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup.
He's heading back to the ring.
Ooh.
Watch out.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. No, stops the count at two.
He just won't give up. Feast your eyes. Will that be it? Will that be enough?
Barely kicks out.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming. Oh, basically hammering their opponent into the floor.
Oh, no. Vice-like pressure on the temples.
He got in there. Good save.
Oh, it's coming.
And back in the ring we go.
Big slam. No man does that better.
Uh-oh, he could be looking for a submission here.
unleashed might and force.
The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap out? And he lets him out of the submission hold.
Could have been a strategic move to wear down that body part for something bigger later.
Elbow drop. And this has got to be it. He kicks out before the count starts.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Planted with a face buster.
After all we've seen, these men are still not
Lifting them up. Relative ease. Followed up with a discus punch.
But can they turn that into a win?
He keeps his team in the match.
Power slam.
What great agility.
For the win. And they're still in this. And it looks like they have no problem bending the rules there.
Up and face first.
Flapjack. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
But you have to admit, at this point in a Falls Count Anywhere match, there's no way you didn't expect things to be going much, much worse for him, Cole.
Oh, right on the arm.
Not good.
Clothesline.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Uh-oh. Tossed back into the ring.
Not so fast. Reversed into the hip toss.
He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing.
And he's going for it again. Incredible impact. Does he get him here? And he breaks up the pin and the match continues. Oh, shin breaker.
He wants even more out of his opponent.
Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
It could be over here.
This is it.
Hey, wait. How can that be fair?
Come on, Red, keep these guys in check.
Flatline.
Man, face first.
Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage. Kicked off. Got some room.
Big boot. Incredible. Does he have him here? And only gets a one. No way. Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
I think there's going to be some second guessing about trying that move again.
With the counter.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else's well-being.
Oh, man, check out this power. Gorilla press slam. And that's some late match offense from him.
Lots of heart being shown in this one.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Slamming their opponent into place. Curious to see what's coming next. From the second rope, beautiful splash.
And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries. Outside of the ring now. Let's look out.
Suicide dive to the outside.
Cole does it better. A roll of the dice and it pays off in full.
No. Kick out.
Every kick out taking so much energy to muster.
Short arm clothesline. Not finished just yet. Ooh, there's number 2. For the third time.
No, look at this. The power.
Oh my God. Superhuman power.
What a slam.
Oh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
Elbow drop.
Ooh, stiff punch. Whoa, the stairs right to the head. And he has no regard for anyone else now that he has the sledgehammer in hand.
clothesline.
Shoulders down. It's over. It is over.
Here are your winners.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
For my money, these two just might be the best tag team on the roster today.